How to remove WhatsApp channels option. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, and at the bottom, you'll find updates. Click on it. And as you can see, there are different channels available. To remove, there is no such option, but what you can do is click on three dots and go to settings. In settings, click on chats. Scroll down in chats and then click on backup, chat backup. Then in here, backup everything. After everything is backed up, delete WhatsApp after you have uninstalled WhatsApp, and then download older version, as older version does not have channels option. And this is how to remove WhatsApp channel option. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.